All right, guys, we got something nice. It's taking me for a little trip. All right, guys, once again, we're back at it. Another episode, paddleboarding and fishing. Today I got my boy, Joe with Jeezy and Italia. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're ready. Once again, live stream. What else we got?
Frozen mullet.
And frozen mullet. Let's go. High tide is gonna be at 7:15. And it's looking nice. Go over there right now.
Which way, boss?
Hey,
Let's go. Go over there?
Oh, that way.
That way. Which way? That way. Let's do this, boys.
Where do you want to go? Like under the bridge?
Over there?
Let's go under the bridge.
Okay. You just steal a jet ski, bro.
Camera, right? Let's steal it.
Oh shit. Can I unplug it first?
Fishing from here. Dunk right here and just fish. Got every angle. Alright, guys, today we're gonna try under that little bridge over there. Somebody told us they got some big snappers, so we're gonna give it a try.
Woo! Bro. You got a weapon there, bro. Gotta be careful with that thing. Sheesh! The way you're standing. Got McDonald's there tied up for the fishes. And drop a piece of a burger down. Yeah, boy. Do it. See you at the bridge, boys. Me Gugan, Rizzo, and I'm just drifting away. Fur cast, live shrimp. As we said before, one of our favorite baits. Current is pulling me away though. Let's see what we can do, boys. Let's do this. Getting bites, boys. We're ready. Damn. You know what? Let's go close to the bridge, boys. Let's do this.
Alright guys, here we go. Change the setup. We got 20-pound leader, 2-ounce sinker, a little size 2 hook, and live shrimp. Check this out, guys. It's gonna be in your seconds. Trust me when I say it's gonna be seconds. Who's counting?
I'm counting how
Fast.
fast he gets to the top.
Here we go. Ready, Talia? Telling you it's gonna be seconds. See those bites, right?
Yes, sir.
What we got here?
You want, brother?
Oh,
Shoot.
fatty little grunt. Wait, pero está gordo.
Yeah. It's a nice one.
Release him really quick.
First catch, brother. Yeah, first fish of the day.
Give it to the dog. It's coming over.
Safe release. Let's do it again.
Oh!
Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Italia. Let's go, Italia. Let's go, brother. You got this.
Let's do this!
Oh, another grunt.
Another grunt, yeah. Come here, little. Man, stop moving so much, bro. Just hooked you to your mouth. These grunts are beautiful. The bad thing is they taste terrible.
It tastes terrible?
Yeah. Have you ever ate one?
Oh, they're better than the jack that you ate the other day.
No, hell no. Not even close to a jack, bro. Jack is way better. It's like eating a calamari, eating one of these guys. Damn, it's full of grunts. The snapper, he says. The snappers are here. Well, boys, 2 grunts. First fish of the day for me. Miami Gugan caught the first one. Oh, that's the second. So we had 3 today.
Yo, where the
bitches?
Where's the other bait? The mullet.
I have him. You want some?
Tiene un cuchillo ahí para cortar. Let's go, Joe.
Is it?
Not a grunt.
Let's go.
Not a grunt.
Yo, thank you, bro.
The third one.
All right, guys, we got something nice. It's taking me for a little trip. Oh, now he's taking me back. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, bro, making me spin everywhere. Push me out, push me back, Joey. There you go, perfect. That's it. Oh no. Damn. Oh damn. Oh. Oh. That's a big boy. That's a big boy right there. Joey, get the net. You. Right there. Right there. Woo! Look at that size of that thing, boys. Let's go. Nice, nice. Hold on. Let me end this really quick. Hold on. Yeah, that's beautiful. All right, guys, we're back. Check it out. Look how big that thing is. Bring it up really quick so they can see it on camera. Look at that. Thing's huge. Well, hey, we got to do the right thing. It's 16 and a half. Almost makes a cut. But almost is not going to do it.
Not quite yet.
So let's get him out back in the water.
Yeah, he ate this shit good, huh?
Yep. Woo. All the way down?
I can even see the hook.
No? Okay, just cut it. Cut it. I'll put a new hook. You gotta get him in the water. Be careful with the weight. Hey, put it in the water. Hurry up. Oh, bro, pero sácalo de ahí, man. Jesus. There you go. Safe release, guys. Let's go for another. Guys, we're going back in. We have a storm coming. We already got caught on the rain. Caught a few. Got a really nice snapper, mud snapper. It was 16 and a half. Fortunately, not a keeper. But hey, we gotta do what's right and let it go. So we're pushing back in. We're gonna regroup and come up with another plan. So stay tuned because it's gonna be a let's go, boys. Yeah, man, it's nice actually.
Hey, the boat wants to go forward. Bro, he's been back with the whole time.
Listen.
Ah, shit, you go.
Woohoo!